Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video I'll show you how to not display the complete path in the output and instead only see the uh, output of the program of Python. So I'll first try to run this and show you what the output looks like. So it's showing all the complete output here. So I don't want to look at all these things. I just want the output. So what I can do is go to run and debug, launch and uh, create launch.json file, click on it, and instead of internal integrated terminal you need to give internal console. Control save, close it. Now you can navigate to debug console and close this and control F5, so it will show you the only output which you want to see. You can also print here, this is test output, control F5, which gives only output. So this is a cool way which I've figured out after spending half an hour of time. All good, thanks for watching and keep learning.